Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Another day in van life bliss. The sun was out, sort of going in a bit, but I think it's going to be in and out today, so we might get a little bit of solar. Today, I've got the tedious task of sitting down with my computer and making an emailing list for all the venues so I can contact them to get some work. Now my booking agent is not booking anything anymore for some unknown reason. If you want a job done, do it yourself, innit? So the last 2 days I've spent hours and hours and hours getting demos together and video footage together and building a Facebook page and going on forums and joining this and joining that and all that stuff. So that's all done. So now it's just email list and then email all the venues with the links and take it from there. A little bit like casting out a fishing net and then seeing what you get in, you know? The thing is, it's not just one act, it's 3 acts. I've got a solo, a duo, and a band to try and get gigs for. It's like a lot of work, but we can do it. Done it before. The title of this video is Nothing's Ever Built to Last Anymore. I might sound like an old person, an old codger when I say this, but when I say like back in the day, you remember when things lasted? I remember my mum had the same washing machine. It must have been for like 25 years. And if it broke, you got a washing machine repairman came out and fixed it. And the TV set, we had the same TV set for all of my childhood. I don't remember her ever buying a TV. I remember a guy coming out and fixing the TV, had valves in it, like a guitar amp. And even cars, you take your car in, or a mechanic would come out, your alternator's broken, they take the alternator out, they take all the pieces and they'd fix it, change the bushes, whatever they did, put it back in, and it was golden. Now it's just something breaks, you throw it away. You kind of expect things to break, you know, even brand new things. You get brand new parts. Like I bought a brand new valve for my sink tap, and it leaked everywhere. Just didn't work. It was just faulty. It's like Harley's bobble vans thing. You put it in, and it's just faulty. It just leaks. More than one leak.
This is the nightmare that we suffer every day. It's crap parts.
And I go on like the Facebook forums for the diesel heaters, you know, when you have a problem with your diesel heater and you're trying to fix it, and people are like bragging because their diesel heater's been running for 3 years without a problem. You think 3 years, is that all? Just 3 years? How about 10 years? You know, or more. I suppose the problem is we're buying cheap rubbish, and that's what we're forced to do these days, because everything that's decent is too king expensive. Everything's fragile, like my little mind. Even like computers. I remember building my own computers. We used to go to a place called Novatech, and you could buy motherboards and processors and fans and power supplies, and all separately, you know, RAM memory, everything. And then you build your own computer, and then you could upgrade it and things like that. Now you've got these laptops. My last laptop broke, and you can't even get inside it, you know, to do anything. It's just like just about get in there to get the hard drive out. It's crazy. Anyway, what do you think about that? I mean, if you're more old school like I am, what am I, Gen X? Are we Gen X? At 50? I think we are. I just don't remember things breaking so much. And if they did break, you fixed it. I think people had that more of a mentality. You know, we used to build our own push bikes. You know, you'd buy a push bike, or you go to the scrapyard, and there'll be scrapyards. You can get like push bike parts, and you could, you know, things like that. And skateboards, we used to build my own skateboards, you know, swap stuff around, and if it broke, you fixed it. If you couldn't fix it, then you couldn't fix it. But you know, I think these days it's too much of a throwaway, it's broke, throw away, get a new one kind of mentality, and it's. But then that's how they build stuff. They build stuff you can't fix stuff. I sound like I'm ranting, don't I? I'm not ranting. It was just a thought that came in my head. I think it's because it's very rare in van life that I've experienced that a day doesn't go past where something doesn't need fixing, and it's usually because of crap parts or just a crap product. Anyway, I'm going to get on with this. I'm also going to do some guitar practice because I did yesterday and it was actually good. I enjoyed it, and I might even get my air drums out as well. See how we go. But I've got to do this. I've definitely got to do this. If you want to check out my music pages, I've got 2 music pages on Facebook, links in the description. Appreciated. Anyway, see you on the other side. Good news, just sold the All Powers. Guy picks it up tomorrow. We can eat this week. Only kidding, it's not that bad. Man, I need to practice, but it's fun practicing. That was a bit sloppy, but I'm having a good time. It's like I'm getting my mojo back. Right, so I have emailed a lot of venues. I've had a few people come back to me already, but mostly people don't. Anyway, you have to keep badgering them, but no bookings as yet. But we'll keep doing it day by day. There's not much else for me to say today. I'm actually really knackered. It's been a knackering few days. But tomorrow I'm off to Adams and Harley's. Hopefully her part would have come so we can get a Bobble Van's boiler going. Fingers crossed. And we're going to do some work on Adam's van as well, which is long overdue. Apart from that, I'm going to love you and leave you. God bless you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and all that good stuff. Only a short one today. But like I said, not a lot going on. So I'm just going to enjoy the rest of my afternoon. Peace. Until next time.